Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Afua. In this video I'm going to show you a simple way to glow your black skin after you stop bleaching. Okay, so let's start with bleaching. So bleaching is when you kind of not feel comfortable in your original color and decide to use creams to brighten or lighten your skin to be white or lighter than your original skin tone. Okay, so I used so many creams in the beginning, and I really got the shade I wanted and everything, but then I started getting green veins and dark knuckles, and I got hyperpigmentation, sunburn. Like, I'm not wearing any makeup. I just finished bathing and I just have some shea butter on my lips, but I'm glowing. Okay, so thanks to no skin bleaching. So back to the video. When I got this hyperpigmentation and acne from one cream, then reality got down me that no, girl, this is the time to stop bleaching. Then I stopped, but I didn't know how to get my dark skin back. Like, one girl inboxed me on Snapchat asking me how I was able to get my black skin back. So what I did was, don't break it like immediately. Don't break your creams like immediately. Okay, you do it gradually so that you don't mess the skin up. So let's say you were using your bleaching creams like every day. Okay, then you stop, and then you use it for just maybe 3 times a week instead of every day. So in these 3 times of the week, the rest of the weeks, you start using something like shea butter or vitamin E oil or coconut oil or Vaseline lotion, butter, all these butters here. You all know creams that are meant for black skin, chocolate skins. You start using those kind of creams. So let's say you use your lightening creams 3 times a week, then the rest of the days you use your butters, your oils, olive oil, anything that can actually build your skin. Then as you progress, you how do I make this? So let's say after few months, like 3 months time, you get back to 2 days and then once a day. And this once a day, you can just do it in the evening, not daytime. Okay, then in the morning you can use any cream that is meant for your original skin, vitamin E oil, any butter, as I said earlier on, so that you can build your skin. Okay, so when you are comfortable that, oh, my skin is back to reality, like you've gotten your original shade, then you can either stop, or you can also keep the cream. But there are also brightening creams that are not for bleaching. Okay, for not so harsh like the creams we normally apply on our skins. You can something like vitamin C serums, retinol, all these kind of creams, collagen. They brighten the skin and makes the skin beautiful. You can get something like this and you'll be using it when you feel that your skin is so dull, like your face is so dull. You apply it on your skin and then you get the you get the glowy skin that you want. Okay, so that is all I came to tell you today, guys. Just stop it gradual. Don't say, okay, I'm stopping, then you just stop. And no, that one will not make your color pop up. Make it slowly, and you get there. Now I have achieved the skin I was born with originally, and I'm so happy I did. So if you haven't subscribed and you stayed with me till this now, please share the video, comment, like, and then subscribe. I love you all. Bye.